What are debt instrument types? Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we will tell you all that you need to be aware of debt instrument types. But before we begin with the video, make sure to smash the subscribe button and hit the notifications bell icon to never miss out on more videos. What are debt instruments? The various types of instruments classified primarily as debt are known to be debt instruments. They are tools used by government entities, individuals, or business entities to obtain capital. These debt instruments provide money to various entities that promise the repayment of the capital over time. The different types of debt instruments are credit lines, credit, loans, and bonds. Basically, the debt instruments is a term that focuses primarily on the debt capital raised by various institutional entities. These institutional entities can be both public and private companies and governments. For financial business accounting, the International Accounting Standards Board's International Financial Reporting Standards and the Financial Accounting Standard Board's Generally Accepted Accounting Principles have some requirements for reporting various types of debt instruments on an entity's financial statement. These debt instruments generate investment income or raise some capital by various public and private entities. Considering some example, these instruments can be used when a company needs financial assistance to purchase some new equipment or when some government agencies require financial assistance for various projects, such as for their day-to-day operations or some infrastructure improvements. Essentially, these various types of debt instruments perform the role of IOU between the purchaser and the issuer. The purchaser acts as the lender who provides some lump sum payment to the borrower or issuer. In exchange for this, the company that issues the debt offers the purchaser the guarantee of the full repayment of investment after a certain time. These types of contracts prove to be providing some profit to the lender as the repayment of the lump sum amount includes the interest built up over time. These various instruments range from the traditional form of debt, including credit cards and loans, and fixed income assets such as securities and bonds. Multiple types of entities that use these instruments vary widely in the market to raise some funds. These instruments allows the lender, also known as the giver, to earn some fixed interest that he gains beside the principal, which the taker or the issuer repairs. It is a legal obligation on the taker's part to ensure the repayment of the borrowed money and the entire interest on time. The various examples of such instruments are debentures, leases, bonds, certificates, promissory notes, and bills of exchange. This was all about debt instruments and how it benefits all. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing updates. If you liked the video, please press the thumbs up button.